Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your presentations with Canva.com for free. So let's get started. Canva is a free online graphic design platform that allows users to create a variety of designs, including social media graphics, presentations, posters, and more. It is easy to use and has a drag and drop interface, making it a good option for both beginners and experienced designers. Canva has a library of over 25 million templates, photos, illustrations, and other design elements. Users can also upload their own images and files. Canva's drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to add and arrange elements on a design. Users can also resize, rotate, and crop elements, and add text, shapes, and lines. Canva designs can be shared with others online or downloaded as PNG, JPEG, or PDF files. Users can also print their designs directly from Canva. Canva offers a variety of tools for creating designs without using images, including text-based designs with a wide selection of fonts and text effects, shapes and lines to create geometric patterns and other abstract designs, backgrounds with solid colors and textures. Examples of designs you can create with Canva without using images include social media graphics with text, shapes, and lines, presentations with text, shapes, and lines, infographics with text, shapes, and lines. Canva is completely free. Of course, if you are using the free version. Using the free version of Canva today to create this amazing presentation. You can actually go for Canva Pro as well if you want to. And you can actually will be able to avail lot more features with Canva Pro. But the free version also allows you to create this amazing art so you can create your different presentation for your schoolwork or any project that you are working on. So how to do that? Let's start with the process. All you have to do is just come to canva.com and sign up for a free version or a paid plan. You can also sign up with Google. Click on Sign Up with Google. Now are on Google selection page. Select the Google account. Once you have sign up or login into your Canva, you will land on this website right here. You will see the option of presentation right here on Canva. This is one of options that you get. So what you have to do is just simply click on Create Presentation. And when you do that, Canva will take you to your workspace, to your Canva, where you can create different presentations. So this is my Canva to create my presentation. This is a blank Canva and I will be able to create my presentation here. So let me give you a quick tour around the different tools that we are getting in our canvas or in our workspace. So what happens is this is a template option where I will be able to find all of these different hundreds of thousands of templates that Canva has created for us, and most of them are free as well. So what happens is that you can choose from a template and then you can work on that. Of course you can edit the text, you can edit different pictures, you can add your elements, but you will have this amazing template to work on and you can actually add your own pages as well while working in a template. And I will actually show you that how to use a template, and I will use a template and add different pages as well. This is how you can actually get started with a template. Then we have an option of elements. In elements, we get all of these different elements. For example, you get the lines and shapes, graphics, you get photos, videos, and sounds as well that you can add to your presentation. You can add charts, frames, and grids too. So you select from all of these different options, the images or graphics to add to your presentation. Canva Text Tool is a powerful and versatile tool that allows you to add and format text to your designs. Here are some of the things you can do with the text tool. Add text. Simply click on the text tool and start typing. You can also copy and paste text from another source. Format text. You can format your text using the options in the text toolbar, which includes font, size, color, alignment, line spacing, and more. You can also add bold, italic, and underline formatting. In presentations we work with headings and subheadings and body text. So from here we will be adding our text. Let's go to our Canva here and I will simply click right here on my Canva and I will be able to change the background color. Let's go with a template first and let me show you how you can add it, your template. And then I will add a page as well. So what happens is let me choose any template from here. If I go to see all, I will be able to check out all of the different templates. For example, this one has 15 pages and it is free. So let's go with this one. I will simply click on this template and now I can add pages from this template. Now the good thing is you can add one page from each presentation as well, if you want to. For example, when you add a page, let's just say that I want to go with this page, right? So the next page is added from here. You simply click on the plus icon and it's a new page. Now in the new page, I can actually go back and select another template and add that page from there. You simply go and I can actually add my second page maybe from this presentation, it doesn't matter. So this is pretty cool feature, right? And you can create your own page as well. Now I can edit the text as I want to. So the first thing I will do is I want to actually decrease the spacing between these two. So you will get the option of spacing right here. The alignment is given here. It is centered, align. Then if you want to list it, you can do from here. If you want to make it italic or bold, you will get the option here. The text color is changed from here. The size will be changed from here and the fonts are given here. Now, I want to add different elements. So I will simply go to Elements, and I can add a photo if I want to. So, I will click on Photos, and you will be able to find all of these amazing pictures from here. These are completely free, too. Some are not, but most of them are. The ones I am seeing right here are completely free. So I can add as many pictures as I want to. So, let's add an image. Let's go with this one. So, now this image will be loaded right here, and this person should be here. Now, if I want to change the size, I'll make it big or small as I want to. Or I can crop the image as I like. So I will just keep it this size. Okay? And I will actually make it a big. There you go. So this image looks pretty good. Now, if I wanted to add different graphics, I can go to Graphics, and I can add as many graphics as I want to. Once it's done, you simply click on this icon of download and you can download it in the video form if you want to. It is going to be MP4 video. Or you can go for the image presentation or image slides and you can just go for PNG. So I am going to go for PNG and you can actually go for a PDF file as well. For presentation it is suggested to go for PDF. So you can go for PDF standard. I am going with PDF standard. So you can just simply click on download and your presentation will be downloaded within seconds. So yeah guys, this is how you can create your presentations with Canva. I hope that I was a big hug to you. And now you will be able to create your amazing business, school or work presentations with Canva for free. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.